we found are mirrored and developed.
Cool light from the night and the warm light from the torches.
The lighting becomes very abstract.
It has epic scale, it has spectacle, and right down in the center of it is always a very personal, emotional, dramatic moment.
DreamWorks Studios began with a handful of people and an ambitious idea for a film, The Prince of Egypt. The question was, how do we rise to the visual challenges presented by this epic story filled with plagues and miracles and acts of God? It was our job to deliver effects in a unique way. From the pre-visualization of the concept all the way through to completion, effects were involved in every step of the filmmaking process and touched every frame of the film in its final form. And at the same time, a state-of-the-art digital effects department and an entire studio was built from the ground up. Within effects, there are many ways to create an image. Our intention was to find new ways to integrate effects to enhance what is basically a traditionally animated, hand-drawn, hand-painted film. To seamlessly integrate computer-generated imagery, or CGI, with traditional animation to help tell this story. We explored a variety of digital techniques in combination with traditional hand-drawn animation, 2D, 2D CGI, 3D CGI, and combined techniques. This scene was created using drawn traditional effects, added to characters and backgrounds to achieve lighting and atmospheric effects. We used a technique we call 2D CGI to create dust storms and light rays. 2D CGI was used to enhance backlighting effects by creating a sense of light erosion in this sequence, and again in this scene to create a flickering light from the torch. This sequence shows a combination of shadow techniques, from hand-drawn as in these two shots, to digital shadows as in this shot. In effects, there is also a need to build models and props. 3D paint and rendering techniques finish off the color. These props can be used in 3D environments as other departments use digital tools. The Exodus sequence called for hundreds of thousands of extras. The film attracted the right mix of talented people to write and use the software needed to animate these crowds. We used a combination of commercially available software and software we wrote for ourselves to build the sequence. We built characters in Alias and animated them in Softimage. For crowd simulation, we used software developed in-house, which gave us the ability to create crowds filled with thousands of individual 3D characters, all animating separately. In this sequence, we used the 3D extras in combination with 2D drawn animation. "3D CGI techniques were used in this sequence to impart stone texture and lighting effects. The extreme rendering style was designed to be a unique stylistic environment within the film. In this sequence, from the parting of the Red Sea, we used a combination of traditional and digital effects. We took traditional 2D drawings and applied them to the 3D rendered surface of the collapsing wall of water to enhance the foam effects. From 2D traditional hand-drawn animation to CGI, to a combination of 2D and CGI in the same shot, to 3D character animation, to various combinations of these techniques, the unique challenges of the Prince of Egypt allowed a variety of diverse talents to come together and create the effects department, to explore new ways to combine and integrate traditional drawings with computer-generated animation and visual effects.